Alright, we got something interesting here. And I'm sure other people have filmed this, but I guess have not. So, it looks like a Series 1, right? We got Series M2, or not M2, M1. This is a very uncommon fixture.
Yeah,
No, it's the fixtures. Have you ever seen Series M1?
no, this is a hydraulic.
It is. Yes, it is hydraulic. It has classic leveling. There's the monorail over there. But this is a very interesting elevator, actually. That's a... What kind of button is that? That must be a replacement for Otis fixtures.
I don't know.
Okay, let's watch our leveling. It has classic leveling. Cool. That's a very rare elevator. I think it's the only Series M1 I've ever ridden.